In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the look of a photo to a different season using Darktable. This is a fantastic skill to master if you want to add some seasonal flair to your photographs without waiting for those months to roll around. Whether you're looking to make photos pop with spring greens, bask in the warmth of summer, enjoy the rich hues of autumn, or experience the chill of winter, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First up, let's get started by opening your selected image in Darkroom View within Darktable. The Darkroom View is where you'll perform all your editing, so it's essential to familiarize yourself with its layout and tools. Once your image is opened and ready, we can dive right into altering its seasonality. One of the key modules we'll be using here is the Color Calibration module. This tool allows you to shift the foliage hues within your photo. If you're aiming for a vibrant spring look, you might want to nudge those hues toward green. This gives your image that fresh, new growth appearance associated with springtime. For summer, shifting the hues toward a more yellow tone will help recreate the warm, sun-filled days. And if autumn is what you're after, pushing the hues more toward orange hues will invoke those beautifully rich fall colors. Next, to fine-tune your image further, adjust the Color Zones module. This is particularly effective for honing in on specific colors, such as unique leaf hues or the sky. It allows you to target particular color ranges and make precise adjustments, giving your photo the tailored seasonal vibe you're seeking. To adjust the overall temperature of your image, you can use the RGB Curves tool. If you're aiming to convey a winter scene, leaning towards cooler tones can imbue your photo with that chilly, crisp feeling typical of winter days. Conversely, if you want a fall image, warming up the colors will heighten that cozy autumnal warmth. A great way to amplify the seasonal transformation is by adjusting the saturation and contrast. This can help to elevate the mood that each specific season brings. Boost saturation to make spring or summer colors more vivid, or reduce saturation slightly for a more muted winter feel that represents the barren beauty of that season. Adjusting the contrast can help define shadows and highlights, enhancing the mood further. And there you have it, transforming a photo to embody a specific season using Darktable. By harnessing the capabilities of the Color Calibration and Color Zones modules, manipulating the RGB curves, and tweaking the saturation and contrast, you can successfully shift the seasonal appearance of your images with ease. So go ahead, experiment with these techniques, and let your creativity bloom whatever the season may be.